Welcome to the second junior high school of Nea Makri. We have created our own augmented reality application for To Rewild project. Let us guide you.
Equizeta. It is a living fossil as it keeps the form it had 270 million years ago, a descendant of the huge trees that existed in the early Paleozoic period. At present, it can reach 60 centimeters in height and its leaves have a close similarity to pine needles. It is said to have various medicinal uses. Because of the silicium it contains, it helps in healing wounds, it helps with urinary infections, and is also beneficial in protecting against heart disease. Wild orchid. It grows in fertile soil near bushes and it blooms in March and April. It cleverly exploits its similarity to insects, both in color and shape, in order to attract them and manage to pollinate. It is protected by European law and it is forbidden to cut or uproot it.
Dragonfly. Dragonflies are insects which lay their eggs near or on water as well as on floating plants. The egg hatches during the pupal stage and they feed on mosquitoes. Dragonflies spend most of their lives as nymphs below the surface of the water. Their food consists of other invertebrates such as tadpoles and fish. They live mostly near lakes and rivers. They live from 1 to 5 years as larvae in the water and 1 month as an adult. Tadpole. A tadpole is a larval form that the frog have before they transform into their adult shape. It lives exclusively in water and breathes with its gills. It lives in small bays or still water, like Kitsos Spring, formed by running waters or rainwater. The length of the tadpole reaches 1 centimeter and its color is usually blue. The tadpole feeds on food of plant origins, such as dry leaves, grass, and algae, whereas the frog feeds also on insects.
Reed. It is found in the banks of lakes, rivers, and calm waters. It can be used in construction such as simple sets, musical instruments, and as support for crops. Also, many countries use it to make paper and plastic.
The area Kitsos Spring is named from the outlaw Kitsos Nivitas, or as he liked to sign, Kitsos, the Prince of Attica. Since it used to be one of his lairs, there used to be a lot of fresh clear water here and many tall plane trees. Kitsos used to be a forest ranger, but later he started committing robberies in Mesogia. He often targeted rich people whom he offered him money in exchange for their safety. At times he abducted people asking for ransom. He was very popular with the poor folk since he used to make a living by exploiting the rich. Kitsos decided to fight in the Cretan War in exchange for his amnesty, but he changed his mind, so after rigorous pursuit in the area Kitsos wasn't familiar with, a police posse tracked him down and killed him on the 12th of June 1867 in Nemea.